Hi, I'm here for another episode of Quattro Minuti con Casanova. Might be a little bit quick today because I'm kind of on a busy street and there's a lot of people walking around and I'm afraid that you won't be able to hear me. I am on a street called Calle del Carbon. It's near the Campo San Luca and the old Teatro San Luca. Casanova lived here in 1743. He was 18 at the time, and he was living in an apartment somewhere on the street. We really don't know exactly which apartments. It's a short street. I'll post some photos. The Grand Canal is just on that end, and Campo San Luca is just on that end. So somewhere on this street. He was living here with his brother Francesco, and it was an apartment that Abate Grimani had found for him, because after Casanova's father died, the three Grimani brothers said that they vowed to take care of these kids because they were fatherless now. And of course, Casanova's mother, Zanetta, was an actress. Hi guys, thanks. And she was traveling a lot. So the brother Francesco that Casanova was living with, there is a story, I don't know that it's ever been proven, but the story goes that while Zanetta was traveling in England as an actress, she had an affair with the Prince of Wales, who later became King George II. In fact, he became King George just about the time that Francesco was born. So the story goes that Casanova's brother Francesco was actually the illegitimate son of King George II. Francesco later studied under Francesco Guardi, the painter, and in another episode I show you Guardi's house where Casanova had dinner with the two of them. But when they were just teenagers, they lived somewhere here on this street. Casanova said it was really a low point for him. He actually had just gone to Corfu. He tried being a soldier. He tried to buy a military commission. His favorite thing about being a soldier was actually the uniform. He never even got a true commission. He never got a true uniform. He designed his own and he sort of strutted around in it and felt very important. And that's about as far as that went. He never saw battle or really anything like that. And at the time he was living here, he was just trying to make a living doing whatever he could. He said that he was playing fiddle, he calls it, in the Teatro San Samuele, the theater there, and just trying to figure out what to do with his life. This was before he had met any of his patrons who were able to help him out. So somewhere here, that's a teenage home of Casanova.